Hello, my name is Luke Scott. You may have seen me from other airsoft videos. Here's another airsoft video about 3 of my loadouts. Pretty much it's my armory, or I don't really have any guns yet. My friend got a new Beretta M9. I'm gonna get one. He got it on sale for $15 at Walmart. But I'm fixing to get the Crossman, or either go to Bass Pro Shops and get me a fully auto M4A1, hopefully to be black, and get a P99 or a Beretta M9, hopefully. Here is my arsenal slash loadout. Here it is. There be telling you about 3 different things. A multicam, I don't know if you can see that, but multicam, all of my multicams are here. That's where that gun was, and the sniper gear. I'm wearing my ghillie suit right now. I left the up here, has none, but usually my hat, it helps it. I'm going to go through everything that's on there right there, on the things. I have ACUs, multicams, and BDUs. BDUs goes with my sniper thing. I just don't want to put them on right now because I'm in my pajamas. Patch. 45th. Here's my ACU loadout. Then I'll be doing. This is just my BDU. I don't really have anything else. And then these, just to get it over with, these are miscellaneous, anything, knee pads, mongoose. Here's my ACU jacket, with rank, and patches, everything on that. Here is cold weather gear for ACU. Just a jacket. I just put name tapes and stuff like that. Camelback, as you can see. And back onto my Lindsay Star Cross-Draw tactical vest. I've made a new improvement to it. Infidel patch. Put my infidel patch on here from now on. Yeah. And then my ACU bunny hat. That's it. That's it for ACU. Hang on really quick. People say that ACU really isn't camouflaging abilities, but it is. You get the ABUs, they're really good for like dirt roads and stuff like that, like I said before. And patches. American flag reverse, 45th. US Army, Sir Davis on it and stuff like that. Let me fold it back really quick. Sorry you can't really see my face, but don't really matter. Here's a pair of green military socks. My ACU boots. They're pretty old. I've had them for about 5 years. Here's my normal, usually, it's kind of an airsoft rifle. It's not really an airsoft rifle, it's one of the pump ones. I got it out in the woods and it works perfect, so I just take it. That's what it sounds like. Now this is multicam. This jelly will do my jacket. Multicam with brakes on it. Here are my pants. Did you see that? Multicam. I have a homemade head dilly I made for me. It's only made for me, really. Oh crap. There we go. I usually have a hat that goes over it. Either my booty hat or just my patrol cap. Covers my whole face. This is usually what I do for my sniper loadout. Also, I put my hat on over this so my back here camouflage. And so it doesn't rub against my neck and, you know, make me itchy and stuff like that. That's for sniper loadout also. I don't know if I mentioned in my AC loadout, here's my camelback, and it has a little bitty pouch right here on the thing. Also for my multicam loadout, here's my thing, my bag. It has Molly on it, and here's also something for my multicam loadout. I don't really know if this really matters, but just some rope, paracord, you can use it for anything. Tied onto a tree, will rappel down. In fact, don't really matter. Multi-use, pretty much.
I made a big mistake volunteering for this mission.
Here's this for my multi-cam loadout. Some of my cans changed. And my boots. There. There's some black boots. I wonder. What size are they? It says USA 12 MD medium. Oh yeah, and I forgot to mention this for my ACU loadout / digital. Here's my backpack and ACU. It's losing its color. That's the thing that sucks about it. Yeah.
Don't worry.
Here's that though. But that is my loadout. Thank you. Bye. Oh crap. Let me push that. Stop recording.